Hey, what's up YouTube? My name is Mikey. Welcome to my very first haircut tutorial. And right here we're doing a mid-bald fade, so let's get straight to it. So first things first, I'm setting out my bald guideline with my Babyliss Pro trimmers. Making sure I get every single hair, make sure it's nice and neat, and go into the curvature with the head because I am doing a tail in the back. And also shout out to my boy Proti Major for the beat. If you guys are interested in any of his beats, I will leave his Instagram down below. So right here I'm using my cordless masters with the lever all the way open, going up about 1/2 inch to 1 inch. Also making sure to keep it nice and even all the way through. Right here I'm closing the lever at halfway just to kind of soften up that bald line to make it easier to take out. And after that I will follow that with it completely closed to finish it off. Also keep in mind that you're going to have to for sure open and close the lever according to the dark spots in his head and any hair that you may have missed or anything like that. So right here I slap on the one purple magnetic guard with the lever open, kind of flicking out just so we don't create any harsh guidelines going up. So yeah, and then after this I'll follow up with the lever closed just to soften up that line. My next step is to get my half guard and close it all the way just to take out that bottom line. Also remembering that we're using our corners of the blade and flicking out. So I'm going to go back and detail a little bit with a no guard, just making sure I got all the dark spots, anything that I missed. I would also say that this is the most important step of the whole entire blend. It doesn't look like much, but this completes everything and makes everything look flawless. So I don't think I got it on video, but I did number one with the grain open around the lineup area. I did it open just because I wanted to keep it nice and full still. And also for the lineup, just make sure you're keeping it as natural as possible, but also crisp at the same time. I saw a little dark spot around the lineup area, so I got my number one closed just to soften up that dark spot. It's always good to kind of get your eyes off the blend and come back to it because you'll see a bunch of stuff that you missed. So just to get rid of that bulk around the parietal ridge, I'm going to use my one guard open with the grain. So when you do this, you just want to make sure that you don't dig in too much on the top of the head, kind of gliding down, if that makes sense. So for the beard, it's pretty much the same thing as blending the sides of the head, but going downwards. Yeah, in this video, I didn't get too in detail with the beard, but in future videos, I for sure want to put out more content with just focusing on the beard. So as we're coming to the end of the video, I just want to say thank you for everybody that's tuning into my very first video, and I'll for sure be putting out more content as much as I can. Unfortunately, I didn't get like a very good 360 view of the final product of the haircut, but this is pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, then go like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.